Need to make your facility management requirements easier to deal with? Manage all your facility management information completely in cloud. Geolocate properties, assets, activities, and locations on 2D plans and 3D models. Access all information from anywhere and on any device. Receive alerts in case of expiry or in the absence of required documents. Plan routine and extraordinary maintenance tasks. Real-time monitoring of all maintenance activities. Take advantage of a notification system to contact work teams. Manage tickets to optimize resources usage and reduce interferences. Monitor facility management activities using automatic and customizable reports. Analyze performance metrics by setting specific SLAs and KPIs. Check energy consumption in real time and easily identify anomalies. Manage both hard and soft services in a single software. Discover usBIM.maint, the visual facility management software that allows you to see your assets and maintenance interventions using 2D and 3D maps and models automatically.